Hey guys, it's Kay. I hope you're all well. So we've all seen those how to do videos where people are installing emulators on their Fire Stick TVs with a bazillion games. Heck, I've even done one myself. Then you try it yourself and it just doesn't quite work out, does it? Whether it's the sound, the screen's all messed up, there's always something. Well, today I have an emulator that works on all fronts. That's sound, video, heck, tons of games too. And I'm going to show you how to connect your Wi-Fi controller. In my case, I'm using the PS4 controller. So without further ado, let's get into this. So what we're talking about here is the Happy Chick emulator, which has been redesigned for playing games on your TVs, meaning that most of the games will be stretched out to fully display on your TV. And as you can see, it's fully compatible with any controller. So the first thing you're going to see is the ranking button. Selecting this will show you the games that most people are playing, so the most popular ones. So we've got Donkey Kong, Street Fighter, Teenage Mutant Turtles. Those are the ones I recognise. Let me know what you recognise down below in the comments. The next button on the main screen is the latest button. So this pretty much shows you the latest games that have been added to the emulator. So going back to the main screen, we have the search button, and this is self-explanatory. Now on the main menu we can scroll across and look at the sub-menus. We've got topics, we've got categories. Here we can filter our search down by game hardware and game type, be it racing, fighter, shooter, puzzle, strategy. Scrolling across we also have our manage menu where we can basically manage our system. Lastly we have the my games menu where we have the games we recently played. When you select a game, this is the screen you'll see. From here you will select your controller. So you can see you can use your Amazon controller or your wireless controller. Once you've selected your controller, you'll need to customize your keys so you can control your game the way you want. So just highlight the button you're going to map and press the corresponding button on the Wi-Fi controller you want to map it to. Then press the Quit Settings button and press the Launch button. You'll find gaming with your Wi-Fi controller very enjoyable. Okay, so what do we need to get this retro emulator? Well, I'm going to show you now. On the Fire Stick main menu, go to your apps and select Downloader. Now if you haven't got Downloader, click on this link here which will show you how to download it. Once you're in Downloader, type the following link and then press go. Click on the download button. Now it can take some time depending on your download speed. Click on install. Now we can delete the APK because we've already installed it. Click on the home button and you'll see Happy Chick is installed in your applications folder. Now, so that you can get more of a gaming experience, I'm going to show you how to connect your wireless controller. So at the home screen, go to Settings, then Controllers, make your way down to Game Controllers, add New Controller, select Wireless Controller, and now the Fire Stick is searching for wireless controllers. So now I'm going to set up my PS4 controller to be found by our Fire Stick. This is quite straightforward. We press on the Share button and then press on the PlayStation button, and then we wait for the blue light to flash. Once it starts flashing, you'll see it will automatically connect to the Fire Stick. Then using your wireless controller, you can go back to the home screen, select Happy Chick, scroll over to the game in Happy Chick you want to play and select it. Select the wireless controller and customize the keys if you haven't already done so. And then it's just a case of launching the game and enjoying all those games from your retro childhood. So guys, if you found this video helpful, give us a like and smash that subscribe button, as I've got tons more ideas to share with you.